Did you know every AI agent out there needs a toolbox? But most toolboxes come with a different lock. Today, we're standardizing the keys. Welcome to How AI Agents Talk to Tools with the brand new Model Context Protocol, aka MCP. Buckle up. AI agents can reason, use tools, even juggle tasks from browsing to coding. But plugging in every new tool feels like wrestling a greased pig. No shared standard means custom wiring forever. Meet MCP, or the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as HTTP or ODBC, but for AI agents and their toolboxes. It speaks JSON RPC over the wire, so your agent never cares how the tool works, only that it does. MCP defines a shared interface. The agent, client, speaks MCP, and the tool, server, declares what services it offers. Swap tools like USB sticks. No code rewrites needed. Finally, no more late-night debugging marathons because you forgot which endpoint returns a string instead of an integer. Imagine your own computer as the stage. On the left, a host, cursor, Claude desktop, or even a script embeds an LLM and an MCP client. On the right, an MCP server runs. Think of a local file-based tool. They chat back and forth over standard input and output. That simple pipe is all you need to plug in tools without extra wiring. Take Cursor as an example. It's an IDE powered by multiple LLMs. It embeds LLMs like Claude or GPT, access the host, runs an embedded MCP client, and connects to external MCP servers that provide capabilities like summarize code, run tests, or query GitHub. For example, when you provide a local script that uses a code refactoring tool, another tool can fetch GitHub issues. Both plug into Cursor with zero special integration logic. Picture your computer hosting an MCP client that speaks standard input and output to 3 local MCP servers: Server A, Server B, and Server C. Each server connects to its own data source. Server A talks to local data source A, Server B talks to local data source B, and Server C can even reach out via web APIs to remote services. All of them use the same MCP protocol over standard input and output, so your host orchestrates multiple tools in parallel without extra wiring. For a remote connection, it uses a MCP's communication handshake. First, the client kicks things off with an HTTP post. The server then streams back responses over server-sent events, and the client acknowledges them. Once that initial exchange is complete, they keep a live, bidirectional connection, enabling real-time streaming, handling long-running tasks, and giving you a major upgrade over classic REST APIs. All you need? The client to start the handshake. MCP servers can offer 3 flavors of services. Tools. Callable actions like get weather or run tests. Resources, files, JSON blobs, images, audio, transcripts. Prompts. Reusable instruction templates you fill in on the fly. So why MCP? Plug and play. Swap tools without code surgery. Modular, define once, reuse everywhere. Language agnostic. Build servers in Python, Node, or Rust. Model agnostic. Works with GPT, Claude, Gemini, and more. Finally, you can stop convincing your codebase that it needs another 10,000 lines of custom wiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Neurl Creators channel, and share this with your friends. Happy tool plugging. I'll see you later.